Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Seddiesnowz and I'm back with another hair tutorial. To my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by today. So guys, my immediate younger sister's birthday comes up on Saturday, which is the 22nd of August, and I decided to make this 2-strand twist rubber band method for her, and I hope you do enjoy this video. Just watch and see how it turns out. So for this hair, I used one pack of the Expression Super Braid, which is 330 grams in weight and 100 inches in length in the color purple, and I cut the braiding hair into 3. guys, to achieve this part I made in front, I sectioned the portion of hair into 4 equal halves, as you can see, and then for each half I divided into 2. So in total I had 8 braids in front. So that was how I was able to achieve this part. Just watch to see how I made it. So I'm done braiding the entire hair, and I put the ends in hot water to straighten it and make it more flexible, and probably do away with all those loose ends. And then I used my hair mousse to lay flat all those flyaway hairs. And when I'm done, I'll also spray it with the hairspray to give it that final shine. And that is all about it. So this is the end result. So guys, what do you think about this hair? As for me, I won't lie, I really love the hair. I love how shiny it is, how perfectly braided it is. I love everything about the hair. I love how clean it is. guys, if you love this video, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think, and like, share, and do well by subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.